guys, this is made from Mopai and Minho Sublimations. In this video, I'd like to show you guys one of our latest sublimation blends, notebook. We added leather and plastic covered notebook to our product line. Today, I want to show you this plastic notebook. This sublimation blend spirals notebooks can be personalized to fit the lines of students and writers of all personalities. These are A4, A5, and B5 options for you. You can see the accessory here. Each notebook will come with one spiral binding, two covers, and the paper page. You can easily sublimate it on the cover after remove the protective film. Okay, you can see we have removed all the protective film out. So we are going to stick the design on it.